In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar on iPhone. If you've ever tried to do this from the Google Calendar app and couldn't find the sharing option, don't worry. On iPhone, the sharing controls live on the website, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the Safari browser on your iPhone. In the address bar, type calendar, google.com, and go. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the calendar you plan to share. You'll land on the mobile version of Google Calendar. To access the sharing settings, we need the desktop layout. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap Desktop. Give it a moment to load. The desktop site can be a bit zoomed out on a phone, so feel free to pinch to zoom so everything is easy to read. On the left side, look for the My Calendars section. This is where all of your calendars are listed, such as your primary calendar and any additional ones you've created. If you have more than one, take a second to confirm you've picked the correct one, like a work or family calendar. Find the calendar you want to share, then tap the three dots icon next to its name. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Sharing. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Share with Specific People. This is where you control who gets access and what they can see. Tap Add People and Groups. In the box that appears, enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Double check for typos so the invite goes to the right place. Next, choose the permission level that fits your needs. For many situations, see all event details is a good choice because it lets the person view everything on your calendar without making changes. Higher levels, such as the ability to make changes or manage sharing, give others control, which is best reserved for trusted collaborators. Pick the level you're comfortable with, keeping privacy in mind. When you're ready, tap Send. An invitation will be emailed to the person you added. Once they accept it, your shared calendar will show up in their Google Calendar, and they'll have the access you selected. If they don't see it right away, it may take a moment to appear. That's all there is to it. You've shared your Google Calendar right from your iPhone using Safari and the desktop version of the site. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.